TXU Energy Review, pricing explained what you get for your money. TXU Energy is a major electricity provider, but most people get this wrong. They assume rates are confusing or unpredictable. The surprising truth is that TXU Energy offers clear, competitive plans with flexible pricing options tailored to different usage patterns. Residential plans include fixed rate, variable, and indexed options. Fixed rate plans lock in a price per kilowatt-hour for the contract term, usually 12 to 36 months. You won't believe how this can protect you from seasonal spikes in energy costs. Variable plans fluctuate with market rates but often come with lower base prices. TXU Energy also offers renewable energy options, which may slightly increase rates but provide environmental benefits. Most people get this wrong by assuming green plans are significantly more expensive. The difference is usually small compared to the total bill. Additional fees, such as late payment or connection fees, are clearly stated upfront. Understanding your usage and choosing the right plan can save hundreds of dollars annually. In conclusion, TXU Energy pricing is transparent and flexible. By selecting the right plan, monitoring usage, and considering renewable options, you go from zero to pro in managing electricity costs efficiently while enjoying reliable service.